106.7 WIZN, that's Steve Miller and Jet Airliner. Joe Vega here with you on your Wednesday Rock and Ride Home. So we've had another tractor trailer get stuck on the Notch Road. I brought on my friend Ben Berry from Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. You can call them at 1-800-LAW-1010, or you can go online to 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Ben, how you doing?
I'm doing well, Joe.
Thanks for coming back on the show, Ben. I wanted to talk to you about this road that we have in Stowe. I know you're over in Albany. I'm not sure if you're aware of the road that I'm talking about. It's Route 108. It connects Stowe and Jeffersonville, Vermont. It's equivalent to a Lombard Street, that famous street in San Francisco. A lot of twists and turns. And what happens almost every year is a tractor trailer gets stuck on it, even though tractor trailers aren't allowed on the road. This year, it took a total of 6 days.
I know exactly what you're talking about. I'm in Vermont all the time. I'm usually over at UVM Hospital a couple times a week, meeting with clients and et cetera. But there was a truck that got stuck on 108. Usually, I believe, if my recollection serves me, there are several flashing lights that warn trucks of a certain size that the road is basically impassable due to the turns on that particular roadway. And when they do get stuck, they usually shut down traffic for quite some time. Very inconvenient.
It is very, because it's a beautiful road to travel, and a lot of tourists do it. But then, of course, the road gets shut down. And I was curious, what can the town do? What kind of fines can they levy on the people that get their tractor trailers stuck on this road?
Well, my understanding is that they can be civilly fined. Truck drivers who are repeat offenders, I'm not really sure what Vermont has as far as laws are concerned that can escalate the fines, but certainly they are liable for a civil infraction, a civil fine. I think it's $1,000, $2,000 if I'm not mistaken. They certainly, I think that the municipalities might have a right to recover some of the costs that would be associated with removing that particular truck from the roadway if it had to be towed out by the municipality. Usually they hire private companies to do that kind of stuff, but I imagine that the town or the village could send a bill to the trucking company. Oh,
so the trucking company can be fined as well, not just the driver?
That's right. I think they usually fine the driver. I'm not sure how it works with the commercial licensing, but usually it's probably to the driver, and that driver passes it on to the company.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for the info, Ben. Yeah, 6 days after the Notch Road opened up, already we have our first tractor trailer getting stuck on there of the year. I appreciate you coming on the show, Ben.
Thanks for having me, Joe. Talk to you soon.
Ben Berry from Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. You can call them up at 1-800-LAW-1010. You can also go online at 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Mel Allen taking over from here. He's got music from Led Zeppelin and George Thorogood next.